This is GX460. GX460. This is 2017 model V8 engine. Come and see the interior. You can see the interior is ventilated seat. You can see the dashboard, AC, the keyless entry. And this car has a DVD player. You can see it. It also has a 3-row seat with AC vent on the roof, and this car has a sun roof. Come and buy car. Very affordable. Let's see the review. This is the review of this GX. Very affordable, very negotiable. Buy and drive, nothing to fix.
If you want to buy any of your car, call us on 080-3312-8914.
Now this is another LX570. This is a blue color, and this is 2017 model with a very clean coffee brown leather seat, interior ventilated. You can see it. Super amazing and affordable. Let's see the other car behind it. This is RX350 black color. Black color. It has black in, black out, 2020 model V6 engine, very fast, strong and durable with a reverse camera. Okay, we also have this is RAV4 2019 Toyota RAV4. It has a leather seat interior. This car is direct Belgium with a V6 engine. Come and see this. This RAV4 has a clean coffee brown leather interior, and this is Lexus RX350. This is 2018 foreign used Lexus RX350 white color with a clean black leather seat interior. Very affordable.
If you want to buy any of your car, call us on 080-3312-8914.
This is GLK 350 2015 model. This is white color out and black interior, leather seat. Very affordable. This is ES350. This is pencil color. This is 2014, and it is very affordable. Okay, I need to talk plenty. You push just to see what you're buying. Okay, this is ES350. You can see the sky blue color. This car is super clean. Come and see the interior of this car. This is 2013 model. You can see the creamy leather seat interior. Everything is set, top notch. Take a look at the back seat, and it has a sun roof. Okay, this is the review of this ES350. You can see it. Buy and drive, nothing to fix, and it's very cheap now.
My name is Mr. Boniface. Welcome to Murad Autos. If you want to buy any of your car, call us on 080-3312-8914. 080-331-28914. You can also chat us on the same number on WhatsApp. Our address is located at number 10 Rumola Stadium Link Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria.